Hello?
Uma, are you able to hear me?
Hello?
Hello? Are you able to hear me? Hello?
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 Oh, yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, yeah.
No, I'm not able to hear you properly.
Is it clear now?
Yeah, it's okay now. Thanks.
Yeah.
Did you practice anything? And, do you have any
Yeah, I
pending
practiced.
things?
No pending. I
Okay.
practiced drag and drop. Actually, yesterday, while you're doing drag and drop, it's the correct way. It's working, but we couldn't identify that A is going to be, A is hidden, it's showing like a hidden image. It is working. That's also working, the code.
Okay. Okay. Might
Yeah.
be. What I'm trying to say, I mean, sometimes, right, we might not identify. Okay, if we
Yeah.
put some thread or sleep and if we wait for some time, it would be. I mean,
Mm. Yeah,
but
yeah. It is
whatever
working.
the things we are working, right, and whatever the things, right, I mean, we me try to like many ways. I mean, like not only a single way, we have to go for another way. If something
Yeah,
is
yeah.
not working, we need to go for the alternative. You're
Yeah.
getting my
And
point,
I
right?
Yeah,
That's
and I
right.
practice robo classes. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And
The,
robot classes are able to understand completely and why it is required and everything, right?
yeah, yeah. I have studied in the website, one of
Yeah.
the website.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I can tell, but only thing is what I'm trying to say. I mean, instead of I'm trying to say everything, whether you are
Yes.
able to or not, I mean,
Explore.
get something. See,
Mm.
then only it is good actually. See, if I'm
Yeah,
say
yeah.
everything I can teach, but only thing is,
Yes. Yes.
I want to see end of the day. I 1 second. Actually, I forgot to ask you some feedback.
Uh-huh.
Okay, after Java or something else, I would have requested you to share the feedback, whether you are getting all the details or where we need to improve, something like that. But I might forget earlier, right? When I started classes 4.5 years back, at that time I usually ask that.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now I
Mm.
stopped asking. The reason, right? I mean, now as of now, I'm well matured and there is no issues. Okay. If
Mm.
still, if you face any issues or is there any improvements or something else, the way of
Mm.
explanation and the slowness or speedness, if you are facing
Mm.
any issues, you can give me a feedback. Okay.
Sure, sure. Yeah, as of now, everything is fine. I don't have any issue with your
Yeah.
explanation or anything.
Yes, yes. And the way of explanation, the real time
Mm.
applications, the real time scenarios, and the real time. While telling the Java, I hope you got the
Mm.
many items from my lecture
Yes, yes.
in the real time scenarios.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah.
And as of now, I'm not asking anyone the reason. See, I mean, well matured now. I can say, right, whenever we are trying to improve something, definitely I will ask. Okay, there is no doubt. If you found
Yeah.
any gap or something else, and most probably, if I miss something, let's say for example, yesterday because of me only it's okay. Even I am not
Mm.
available yesterday. I went to some
Okay.
hospital, so that's right.
Same
So in
thing
that
happened
case,
for me in the morning. Yeah,
okay,
that's why I couldn't wait the
okay,
class in the morning.
okay, no issues. It's fine now.
Yeah, everything is fine now.
Okay. Okay. Now the only pending topic is within the core concepts of Selenium before moving to
Yeah.
frameworks. Now there is a concept called JavaScript executor.
Yes. Mm.
Okay. For the
Yeah.
JavaScript executor, I'll do something. I'll give one, like how can I say, one exercise to you. Is a simple thing. Okay, you can
Okay.
copy paste it always, but better to have some other words. How we need to do that?
Mm. Sure, sure.
Getting a point?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now, let me go ahead and close this. There is, let's say, for example, whenever we are trying to scroll down the page or scroll up the page. Getting my point, right?
Yeah.
And see, by default, the page navigation will happen forward and back navigation. But if you go to the page scrolling, right? I mean, top to bottom, and bottom. The Selenium, there is one class called JavaScript executor. Okay, the JavaScript
Yeah.
executor depends on completely the DOM. Okay, let me show you. For example, we already discussed, right? I mean, something else. See, whenever we are trying to hit the browser, right, it is happening something behind the scene. Okay, and these conditions already captured everything by the developers. Getting my point? But sometimes whenever you need page scrolling or left to right scrolling or horizontal scrolling or vertical scrolling, okay, you might have need the concept called JavaScript executor. And by using the JavaScript executor in Selenium or automation, we are able to do anything. Let's say, for example, now we are clicking a button. Getting my point?
Yeah.
And we are choosing elements from the send keys we are using, clicking we are using, getting text we are using, and title we are getting. Instead of using that, sometimes let's say for example, if a button is not working, are able to get my point? Button is not
Yeah.
working, but we tried normal click, action bar, action classes also we tried, that is also not working. Robot class also we tried, that is also not working. And we already missed 3 ways. Primary point is driver.find element, by.export of click. The second way of click is nothing but it's kind of like a robot class. Third one is robot class or action class. These are the 3 options. If these 3 options also failed, still we have one more option.
Okay.
That is called as the JavaScript executor. And JavaScript executor is completely enabled through browser. As a developer, we can able to understand how we need to do that. Getting my point? Actually, this JavaScript executor, it's a point of JavaScript, plain JavaScript that is developed by the developers, but still we can use it. Let me show you. Okay, few things. Inspect. It completely depends on the document object element or DOM. Now, here if we click clear here, document dot title, if I tried, it's getting my point.
Yes.
Now instead of going that driver dot find element, driver dot get title, we can go ahead and document dot title by using JavaScript executor. Hope this is clear. At the same time, document dot ready state, it's completed. Now if I go ahead and do that, this is complete like that. Okay. Likewise, many items will be there. And let's say for example, sometime I want to fill this one. Okay, I can fill this one. Instead of send keys, there is another way to give the JavaScript executor. Hope this is clear. Now, till now, what are the things we already done? Okay, except actions. Everything like sending keys, selecting, clicking, get text, everything can be done through JavaScript executor. Getting my point? And this JavaScript executor, whenever you want to execute or whenever you want to try, you should have some programming knowledge, or you should be think about how developers are doing, and only will get more knowledge.
Okay.
Getting my point? Now let's say for example here document.title. Here I'm able to get the title. Getting my point?
Yes.
At the same time, document dot get current URL, something like that URL. Now you are able to see the URL, right? One second, please. Okay, now we are able to see that document.url. Sorry, it's open the cam. 1 second. Let me close it. Are you able to see the cam?
Time?
Now
What?
close. No. Okay. No. Cam actually video is on. I'm not sure. Okay.
Okay, no, I'm not having.
Okay. Now document.title, document.register, document.url, something like that. If you want to see the document dot, if you see location or something else, right? If you see everything, if you need URL, constructor, anchor tags, body, PC color, let's say for example, what is the background color of this website? It will give it's empty, nothing much. It means yellow, something else. Okay, or document dot something else. Whatever the things we require, we are able to learn from here everything. Getting my point, right? Title, but most probably we can go for the title or URL, small things, nothing much. Because these things are belongs to Java developer, not for us. But still, whenever we require something, we are able to do that. Getting my point? Now, document dot inner HTML something is there. It's not there. Okay, no issue. At the same time, sometime window dot. For window also there are something else. But window we should not use many things. Most probably we will go ahead for the document. Okay. Window dot title if you get it's there. No, it won't come. Okay. But document dot title will come. Now, whenever we are trying to do any operation through Selenium, if it is failing, getting my point? Then directly we can go for the like a JavaScript executor. Let me open and do that. JavaScript executor, okay, it's a completely interface. JavaScript executor JS equal to, okay, here driver object we need to pass and we have to cast it. I'll tell that, okay, how to do that. Do typecast here. Getting my point? Now here JS dot here 2 points are there. Execute the script. Execute a script. And here this one it will take 2 parameters. Getting my point? Here it will take 2 parameters. Here whatever the things we require we can do it here. In this one, second one is option. Second parameter is option. Hope this is clear. You're getting my point, right?
Yes.
Now see here window.scrolling. Some methods will be there. I will write it completely here. Let me go ahead and check that. JavaScript executor. Let me example class.
We are going to execute JavaScript executor as well in Selenium, in IDE, Eclipse IDE.
Yes, Eclipse IDE. Yes.
Okay.
See, whenever you are doing any, start.
Subagaru, I'm not able to hear properly. Hello? 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 Hello, Subbu garu? ఎందుకు వచ్చరా?
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, sorry, Uma. It's got dropped. Okay, I'm not sure.
Okay.
Let me share the screen again. Let me maximize. Okay.
No, actually, I'm seeing one screen, notepad screen, but it is
Yes, yes, yes.
yeah.
But, let me do that. Okay. Automation is hiding present. It's not maximizable. Let me. It's not the way. 1 second. Harsha, can you stop your sharing? I mean, can you do it again? I'm not able to share properly. Now you're able to see, right? Eclipse, Oma?
No, I can see only the past screen notepad. You're writing JavaScript executed JS is equal to that screen and nothing.
Okay. Harsha, can you stop actually and let me know? Again, I will do that.
Otherwise, you
Hello.
want me to leave and join again?
Yeah. Let me do that.
Me also.
I think Harsha has to be stopped, then only I can do that. Here, there were some issues are there actually.
So I'll text Harsha.
Just text him, okay? I mean, my mobile is away from me. It's far away.
Yeah.
Do text, okay? Then once I'll join that, then he has to stop it. Then again, I can share it. It's a static page. I'm not able to move ahead. I'm not sure.
Yeah, same thing. It's frozen. Froze the screen. Should respond. Subhagaru is not responding. Hello?
Okay. Then what? Yeah, I'm hearing you. Then what to do? Let me search few
Yeah.
more options. I will left that.
You left it. And now share it again? Yeah, wait, because it just
Okay.
Okay, he having lunch it seems.
Even I to go. Oh my god.
Is there any issue? Yes.
For you, almost 8 p.m., right?
Yeah.
7:30, 7:40 something.
7:25.
7:25. Okay.
And from tomorrow onwards, we are having daylight saving is going to
One
go.
1 hour will be decreased, right?
Yes. We will
Difference.
be having only 4.5 hours difference.
Okay, 4.5 hours now, 5.5 hours, right?
Yeah. He's saying wait 2 minutes. Screen share is not working, I told him.
Okay. Then I need to go for lunch actually. I came from out and tomorrow also, if you are possible, we can complete. I mean, whatever the classes we left, right?
Tomorrow we'll do in the morning, like 7 or
8
8.
p.m. or 9 a.m. after 9 possible.
After 9, then it is in the morning. 2:30.
For you, I think. Else, your evening time also ping me. If I'm, I
Okay,
mean,
let's go 9
anyway
o'clock then.
lockdown only, right? Anyway, not able to go out, right?
Yeah. But I'm having kids, so I have to look after them.
Yeah, I agree. I cannot say, right?
So tomorrow, 9 o'clock, your time 9 o'clock. Okay.
9 or else your time. I mean, same time also fine for me. 1:30. No issues.
Okay. Better we'll go for 9 o'clock your time.
Yes, 9 o'clock or something. The reason why I'm requesting that I have one more class from still. Okay.
At what time
That's right.
till?
Morning actually, morning 9 a.m. I'm trying to connect that.
Okay, then
Anyway,
it's
I
okay.
mean, yeah, you can text me or else you can follow the same time.
Yeah, otherwise it's okay. We'll do it the same time like today.
Yeah, the reason, right? Multiple things here. I mean, before lockdown, I have to be complete yours. Okay, then you can do practice. Okay, after completion of these things, then if you need any support, weekly once I'll connect. Okay.
Yeah. Right. This one is better.
I'll give the support. I mean, after the classes also, I won't stop. The reason, right? We have to go and refer to me actually. That is the concern. Nothing much. Right? It's a simple thing.
Okay, yeah. I'll do.
And But the only thing is, I think it's flexible. I mean, if you need any help, okay, it,
Mm.
we can have a session, not an issue.
Sure, sure, sure. No, still not as well.
I think after is not bad. Uma, or else can you wait for 10 minutes, please? Meantime, I'll go for lunch and I'll be back. I don't have anything. Okay. It's
Okay,
already
okay.
2 p. It's already 2 p.m. Nothing much. Okay.
Okay, okay. I'll wait for 10
Okay.
minutes.
I'll text him in 10 minutes max. Okay. I'll be there. Okay. I don't have any work. Okay.
Mm.
I'll go and come back. Just
Yeah,
once
no
Harsa
problem.
is back, right? Just ask them
Yeah.
to wait. I'll ping in 10 minutes. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. Thank you. Hello, Umar, is there?
No problem.
It's because of my network. No issues for the day. No issues. Okay. We'll continue.
Okay. Mm.
Now, we discussed middle of that JavaScript executor, right? We'll see
Yeah.
by using JavaScript executor. First point is what we can do: scrolling. Okay. Second thing is like if any click or if anything is not working, anything is not working, okay, not working by using Selenium, okay, then we can use this option, okay,
Okay.
JavaScript executor. We are able to click something, click, send keys or button, scroll, whatever maybe we can do, and then to get the like window properties or driver properties, like what are they, like title, ready state, okay, URL, these kind of stuff we can able to do that,
Okay.
okay. And fourth one is take screenshot,
Oh
take
yeah. I thought of asking this question.
yeah, definitely see one by one we'll cover, okay. But
Yeah.
only thing is every, I mean, single day it's not possible to do everything.
Yeah.
Okay, these are the major things we can do. Now we can go for one by one and we'll able to complete this. And this one, fourth one, I will give the like a task to you.
Okay.
Okay, whether you are able to get something or not.
Okay.
Try it. Okay, if you are able to get it, then we'll fine. If not get it, we'll look into that. Okay.
Sure.
Now,
Sure.
first point, it's scrolling. What do you mean by scrolling? Let's say, for example, let me go ahead and take that registration. Simply copy pasting whatever the values we have earlier. Okay. Now we are good. Okay. Now then we are able to launch the website. First point. The second point is whatever the things we are going to use. Let's say, for example, I want to scroll down. This is the page, right? After launching, I want to scroll the page till end. Getting my point? Till end.
Yeah.
And here, inside scrolling, in the sense, let's say, for example, top or bottom or left, okay, or right, or we can do that scroll to view. Particular view also we can do that. Getting my point, right?
Yes.
Let's say, for example, here, this is top, this is down. If I go ahead and do this, okay, something, if it is increasing, keep on increasing, some left to right, something will come. It's not coming. If sometimes right, it will come actually. Left to right navigation also it will come. Okay, that time we can use left to right. Or else, let's say, for example, how much is able to visible? I'm able to see it's visible up to this thing. But I want to click something, this complete button, or else I want to enter city. How can I scroll down or scroll up? Whether it is a particular view or else it is a complete top or complete right or left or right, everything we can do that. Now we'll see one by one. Now, what I will do, JavaScript executor. First of all, I need to create a JavaScript executor. This is the completely interface, hence we are not able to create a direct object. JavaScript executor, control space, okay. First time, right? Again, it's taken some time. See, now JavaScript executor, third option, you're able to see, right? JS equal to, okay, driver we need to put. Here, it will say some error message. We need to cast it. cast to JavaScript executor. This is what we need to do. Okay. Now here what is the meaning is JavaScript is we are going to be insert a complete JavaScript options and we are operating through driver object. That is the meaning. Okay. Now here JS dot, here two major things will come. Okay, one is object class methods and the second one is JavaScript executor methods. Now object class methods we already know, we don't want to discuss it again. Apart from this, only two methods will be there. The two methods is execute script and execute async script. See, as per my understanding, till now no one is using async script. Okay, in my IT industry experience, till now I'm not at all using any async script. Always we are going to be using like a execute script. Here,
Why
here
we are
in
not
this,
using script?
this one not at all required. We are not much sure when it is going to be used, and it is a completely I can say is not using. We are not at all using till now. Okay. And if you go ahead and check any like any Google application or any Google how can I say Google thing also, I didn't get any chance till now. No one is implemented. Even I'm not using. Okay. Next, execute script. Now execute script. See here, second one is optional. If I remove this one also, there is no issue. Let me put that in a double quotes. Now see, there is no issue. Getting my point? Yeah. If I use it as the second one also, there is no issue. Means whenever we are going to be using JavaScript execution, what are the things we need to keep in mind? Like second one is optional.
Okay. Second parameter.
Okay. Second parameter is optional. Now here what I will do, JS dot execute script. Okay, here the first argument only I am going to use window dot something. See, if you put window dot here, is there any something will come? No. But we need to think about here within the double quotes only we need to put the JavaScript executor commands. Okay. Here, let's say for example, here document dot, what is that? Document dot title we are able to print. Getting my point, right? Now what we discussed, right? In this case, where it is, one sec. Okay. How we are doing here, right? Document dot something. Getting my point, right? Now the same way, if we go ahead and check that, here we are able to do that. And the document dot title and document, see at the end we need to put the semicolon. Why we need to put a semicolon? The reason is it's a completely Java line of code. It's a JavaScript one line of code. Getting my point? Hence, what we are going to be used, always we have to end with the semicolon. What we are trying to do within double quotes, we are going to be insert the JavaScript functionalities to do the things here. Hope this is clear.
Yes.
Now, what about the second one? Second one is, let's say for example, you want to scroll into view, then we can go ahead. Here, window dot. If you go to dot this one, it will return a string. Okay. Or else what we can do, if you want to do anything, any operation. Okay. Then window operation. Window dot scroll by or scroll, scroll. Okay, window dot scroll. Then what it will do, it will scroll something. Getting my point? It will scroll something, and where we need to give the two arguments and scroll off or scroll by or scroll something we need to check. I can say like here left, if we give two arguments here, One second, let me explain it clearly. 0 of 0 in the sense it will navigate through. No, sorry. See here, 0 of 0 sense in the sense it's the corner. See now x-axis and y-axis this one. Getting my point?
Yeah.
While scrolling top to bottom, we need to think about scrolling part. This scrolling part also scroll is there, right? Here, if you give 0 of 0, it will point to this one. Okay.
Okay.
Or
Mm.
if you want to verify the left side to right side, then
Mm-hmm.
we don't want to touch y-axis, we have to touch x-axis. Getting my point?
Okay. X means left,
Okay, if you
right.
want, yeah, see x in the sense left to right.
Okay.
I'll tell. Okay, x in the sense left to right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now this scroll, I think scroll by. Okay, by
Here,
window
here
dot scroll
don't,
by.
no
Hello.
need of keep semicolon.
Yeah, let me tell you. Okay,
Okay.
it's required sometime. Let me do
Mm-hmm.
it here. Window dot scroll. If you don't know anything,
Mm-hmm.
here scroll to is there, scroll by is there.
Okay.
Getting my point?
Okay.
Scroll to, okay, xy. I can put in 0, okay, and 100. Now if I enter, click on enter here, 100 pixels it will go down. Now it's clear. Here,
Mm.
see the right side. Okay, now
Yes, yes.
let me put 500.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then only we'll get something. 500. Now it's went completely down, right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Getting my point? Now
Yes,
if
yes.
I go ahead and do this, now if I completely y should be 0, or y, how can I, if I want to move up from top to bottom, if I put
Mm.
0 of 0, enter, it will move down, up completely 0 of 0. Getting my
Mm.
point?
Yes, yes.
See, now it's moved on. Now the same way we can go for window dot, okay, window dot scroll. Inside scroll, how many things are there? By is there, 2
Two
is there.
X Y. Mm.
The by also we can use, no issues. Is that?
Mm.
By pixel, if you want to move, we can go ahead and do that. Both are same. Let me, now it is in down, right? 0, 0 if I put it. See, now it's not moving.
Mm.
Now there is some gap, or else let me go ahead and do that. Now let me move. Now window dot scroll by 600 if I put here. It's moving something. Getting my point?
Yes.
But if you put scroll of 0, okay,
Not
it's not
going for.
moving.
Mm. Yeah.
There is
Mm.
something. But if you go to by scroll to, always better.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, both functionalities are there. Now let me go ahead and do that. Scroll to. Okay, I'm showing as the developer. See, this one no one will show like this.
Okay. Okay.
Getting my
Okay.
point? Okay.
Yeah.
Now scroll to off. If I do this 0 of 0 or 0 500, I put, if I put.
Mm.
Before that, let me put thread dot sleep for 3 seconds or 5 seconds for your understanding purpose, whether it is
Mm.
going or not.
Okay.
Getting my point?
Yes. Yes.
Now let me run it. You'll feel something. It should like a bottom. It should navigate to bottom, or it should navigate to up. This is how we need to follow entire. Okay, the same way it is work. How it is working through JavaScript executor in a normal way, the same way it will
Mm.
execute.
Okay.
5 seconds, yes. It's wait and
Yeah.
it's went.
Mm.
You're able to observe, right?
Yeah, yeah.
5,000 or 5 sec or 5,000. It's went.
5,000, 5,000. Yeah.
The same way, yeah, if I want to do that,
Mm.
what I can do? Again, I can put let dot sleep 5 seconds. I can move again from bottom to top. For
Okay.
this one, how can I do that? Here, 0 of 0
500.
I can put.
Okay.
No, 0 of 0 I'm putting. Why I'm putting 0? See, first to top to bottom I'm doing. Again,
Mm.
I'm going to the replace.
Okay.
See, again it will navigate to up. Let me run it.
Mm. Yeah.
Getting my point, right?
Yes, yes.
It waits for 5 seconds, then again it's moved to the same place.
Mm.
Now, this is how we are doing top and bottom. But
Mm.
what
Yeah.
about left and right? Getting my point? If
Yes,
I
yes.
here what I'm doing now, here I'm replacing only y-axis, means y-axis in the sense top to bottom.
Yeah.
If I touch anything like left to right, if I
Mm.
increase this one, it will go left, will go right. The same way we need to think. Here
Okay.
top to bottom, here left to right.
Mm.
But see, always left to right, no need anyway. We need only top to bottom.
Okay.
Here,
Mm.
now there is one more thing. I want to scroll like a particular view, not the all thing. Then how can I do that? Getting my point?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
See, I don't want to, scroll up or down by using anything. I want to close like 10 pages also, I don't bother about that. I want to like a command, stop it here or stop it somewhere. Now let me do that. See here, if I scroll into view something, I'm going to use zip code.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
first of all, we need to find the element from where we need to talk. Zip code. Let me find the export for this one. This is very simple. Just remember. Okay.
Mm.
//id. Sorry. Input at id equal to single quotes zip. Getting my point?
Mm.
Now what I'm going to do now. First of all, I'm going to comment this one because you have to understand something, right? The difference. Now, web element. What I'm going to put? Web element equal to driver dot find element of by dot export. Okay. Now I want to understand. Now I want to understand. I want to close this. Sorry. I want to scroll into a particular view. Now how to do that? The second step is I need to go ahead and do that. Like JS, okay, dot execute script. Sorry, first again, execute script. Okay, here execute script, right? Earlier we are using only first one. Getting my point? Now what I'm going to do now? What the second option here? Second option we have to pass it as the web element.
Okay.
Now first one, what we need to give. Here many ways are there, many people will explain in many ways, but only thing is whenever we want to scroll it in the particular view, then only we have to use this second option. Hope this is clear. Now what I have to do, arguments of 0. What is that? Arguments of 0. Here JavaScript arguments, GUMENTS of 0, we need to put it. Arguments of 0. If you want to click a button, here you can go ahead and click it. Yeah, 1 second. Nice point. Instead of doing this one, let's say for example, we'll see this one later. Okay. Anyway, the point is came, right? Click. Let's say for example, I want to click this button. Okay. Button ID continue. Now this one, where is it? ID only button. Button continue.
ID button I can continue.
Yeah. Let me check. Okay. The situation came, right? Again, we'll forget something if we should not miss anything. Okay, this one. Let me go ahead and sorry. Here I can say button. Okay. Now within the zip file, I'm going to change it. Now I want to click this button. Normally it is not working. Then let me use the second one. Arguments of 0 dot click. CLICK. Then if I run it, what will happen? It will click, but and right, you have to give the semicolon. Getting my point?
Okay.
Now let me run it. It will click it directly, that particular button. See, it's clicking. How we can know that whether it is clicked or not?
Red boxes.
See, whenever it red boxes. Hope you are getting my point. It's clicked, right? This is one of the proof. Means if you are failing normal click, then you can go for the action class click. That is also failing, you can go ahead and check the like a robot class click. If that is also failing, you can go ahead and do this thing by using JavaScript distributor. Now click and all. Okay, now I want to fill this data one by one. We'll see that. Okay, scroll into we'll see later. Getting my point? I want to fill this data, first name and last name. See, to fill the data, what we need to do, JavaScript execute the same driver object.
Yeah, here why we need to give the arguments of 0 in click.
See here, it will find the XPath in a filter, and it will give the list of XPaths. In that, it will take only the first one, nothing much. Let me see. Whenever we are trying to find the XPath in a button, it will filter everything. It will take all the buttons into a list. In that list, again it will filter. Though it is a 1 element, 2 element, or 3 elements, it's finally become a list. In that element, in that list, finally we are giving the 0, means first argument or first thing. It has to be clicked. Okay. Now I want to fill. See, I'm not able to fill this data by using Selenium. Getting my point, right? I want to give this one. Then how can I give that? Means very simple. First of all, here document dot get element by ID is there. Let me tell you. Document dot get element by ID. Okay, you getting my point, right? some ID. What is the ID? Where we need to pass the ID. What is the ID? Now this one. What is the ID here? First name. Getting my point? ID dot value. Not sure whether it will come or not here. We'll see that. Value something we have to put. You're able to see right here?
Yeah.
Getting my point?
Yes.
The same way document dot first name, right? Now let me put last name. IDM. Just I'm no. That's why I'm putting. It's entering right in the last name. Okay, the same way we have to execute. Now we'll show you how to do that. Button we'll see last. Okay. Now here JS dot execute script. Always go for the second thing. Execute script. Okay, here I don't want to go for the second option. See, whenever scroll into view or clicking anything, then only we need this one. Okay, now JS argument of dot here. What are this? What are the things we write it here? Right, the same way we have to give. Nothing much.
Okay.
Getting my point? This is the proof. Let me copy paste it. Finally, you have to go for the semicolon. Before double quotes only, we have to close the semicolon. That we should not forget.
Okay.
Now, if I go ahead and run it, in the last name, it will add. The same way it should add for the first name. One sec. Okay, it should add for the first. Now, I'll put it in this same format. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Okay, document dot something here. We need to put it. Now, let me go ahead and run this. Whether we are able to do it or not. We can handle alert as well. Everything. See, but at specific situation, I'll give something. Okay. See, here first name it is entered, last name it is entered. Because of its entering, they click the that's why it's saying like this. Getting my point?
Yes.
Now what I can do that. Okay, now we are able to send the keys. We are able to do anything. Now click also we completed. Now see here, alert something. But I'm showing this one. We see just for example only. Don't practice these things. Alert. Sorry.
Close press.
Getting my point?
Okay.
See, if you know programming knowledge, you can handle everything without Selenium as well. But that is not preferable always.
Okay.
Getting my point?
Okay.
But why we need to learn Subo? This is at any situation, you should not fail a click a button, send the keys or getting the data from anywhere. That is the aim. Getting my point?
Yes.
Now, whatever the things we are doing, everything should be done actually. This is what I want to let you know by the operations. Any
Okay.
questions here? No,
Mm.
right?
For zip code, we have not executed script for zip
Scroll to
code.
view, right?
Zip
Scroll
code.
to view something, right? Scroll to view.
Yeah, we
Scroll
need to
to view,
scroll
right? Yes, yes,
scroll
yes,
to
yes.
view and zip code as well. We need to come down and you have to enter the zip value.
No, zip value, we'll see that, okay? But scroll to view, we didn't cover,
Okay.
correct?
Yes, yes, we
That we'll
didn't come.
see. I mean, apart from this, do you have any questions here?
No, clear, clear.
Now, scroll to view. Let me check that. Now, arguments of click. Now, as of now, I don't want to go ahead this one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, scroll to view, I want to go ahead. What do you mean by scroll to view and what is the need of this one? The first point. Or adding any frame or, you know one thing, you can generate the alert. We already shown. Refresh the
Mm-hmm.
browser, inner
Mm-hmm.
text, title of the page, scroll into page. Okay, we can do all the operations. Okay, now scroll into V is the pending. Now we'll see that what was the problem here. I tried something, it's not working. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Whatever the things. Now it's for a click. Let me try it in another way, whether it is working or not.
Okay.
JavaScript executor, javascript.window.scroll by something we can put. But scroll into view one sec. Huh? Many days are there. Okay. I'm thinking the same way arguments of something we need to use it. Okay. And second time we need to pass the web element. Always. Now this is the
Mm-hmm.
web element we are passing. Here instead of arguments of 0.click, what we need to pass arguments of 0 scroll into view we need to give. Getting my point?
Mm.
SCROLLIN I caps into view. Scroll into view semicolon close. Not sure whether it will work out or not. We'll see that.
Okay.
Before that, thread dot sleep. I'll
Mm.
put thread dot sleep for some time.
Mm.
Okay. Then you will get more idea.
Okay.
Okay. All into view. Let me do that here. Document dot crawl into element. Yes, it should come. Okay. Let me go ahead and run it. Crawl into view. See, these things we can use very rarely, but if you know these things right, you'll be in a good position. At any case, your script should not fail.
Mm-hmm.
Getting my point? If you're ready to take up any task, at any case. That is how we need to be ready for that. Now it's waiting. Failed or pass? Yes. You're able to see, right? Hello?
Ah, hello. Yeah.
You're able to see, right?
It scroll down.
Yeah, you scroll down, but see the
Yeah.
highlighted one is zip code is there. See, whatever this highlighted, whatever this scroll down is there, right? In there, zip code has to be one of the options. It should be visible.
Okay.
Okay, you getting my
Yeah.
point, right? If you're not getting, let me explain. See, this is how it is there. Once it is scrolled down, okay, it will
Mm.
scroll down like this, and in
Yes.
that case, zip code has to be shown, whether it is a top or bottom or somewhere within the
Okay.
visible screen.
Okay. 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 So that the mouse pointer will go and sit on the zip code. I
No,
thought in
no,
that manner.
no, it's not going. It's not. The reason,
Okay.
right? Just it will be visible within the anywhere. See, this is the
Okay.
content, right? If it is
Yes,
visible,
yes.
why we need to use this one in the sense? Why we should not allow for the pixel by pixel. Pixel by pixel, if we go, what will happen,
Mm.
right? Some big screens are there, small screens are there, some mobile is there, tablet is there. If you write
Yeah,
the
yeah.
logic that in that way, what will happen? 100 pixels it will down, but is there
Mm.
whether it will show? No.
Mm.
Sometimes 200 pixels is there. If 21-inch screen is there, right, it should be like a very big. Then it
Yes,
will be
yes.
become very problem.
Mm.
Getting my point?
Yeah.
Hence, what we need to understand here, always better to go for like a scroll into a view instead of scroll into by like pixel by pixel. Getting my point? This
Yes,
one
yes.
not at all good. Always
Mm.
not at all good. If you want to do how many pixels it is the top down from bottom to top 0 0.
Mm.
In that way you can use it. But
Mm.
scroll into view is very important. And this method, how can I know Subbu? Like that, see, click in the sense it's click.
Mm. Yeah.
Arguments of zero of click. Arguments of zero of scroll into view. It's very simple. No need to worry about it. You have to see, just to see my video once you got it 1 or 2 times or 3 times. It will be like a very simple thing. You are able to learn everything.
Mm.
Harsha is able to upload everything, right, for you?
Yeah, yeah. He doing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If not, then just request him one more time. He can do
Mm.
it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what? This is what I have. Okay. This one.
Mm-hmm.
And if we are clicking anything, we already done this one. See, to read the like a phrase properties, titles and ready state and URL. See,
Mm.
here nothing is required. What is that? Nothing is required. But still, if you have this much knowledge to do these things, how we are doing, right? Here,
Yeah.
see, these are the stuff, whatever the stuff I am doing in this console, this is for the developer perspective, not the automation or the testers. If any automation engineer don't have knowledge about the JavaScript executor much.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Okay, whatever the things I require, I can do it here. Get my point?
Yeah. Mm.
That is how that much of knowledge is required. See,
Okay.
now scroll into view, scrolling for top to top, bottom, left, right, scroll to view, we covered.
Mm-hmm.
Then if something is not working, means we are able to click the element, we are able to enter the element. But it is possible to read the data. Getting my point?
Yes. Yeah. Mm.
There is one concept is that inner HTML, but that's not
Mm.
required for us. Getting my
Okay.
point?
Mm.
Document dot inner HTML.
Mm.
Sometimes it won't work out. That's why I didn't tell you. Here, document dot inner HTML or no document only. Document dot get element by ID something ABC dot inner HTML. It's not coming here. It won't come actually. That is the problem. Okay. Sometimes
Mm.
it might work. Sometimes it might not work. Because see, while giving the statement, right, 100% I cannot say it will work. Sometimes it
Mm.
may work, sometimes it may not work. So if I give the statement like it should work, that is false. But I can say whatever the things we are going to be do, entire completely, whatever the things we learned so far, right, through
Mm.
Selenium, all the
Mm.
things can be done through JavaScript executor. Getting my point?
Okay. Yeah.
That is how it will work actually. Nothing
Mm-hmm.
much.
Okay.
Hope the JavaScript executor is fine.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, you are able to do everything right like this.
Yeah. I
You
can
can
try. Yeah.
Google it. You can Google it. You will get some more knowledge. But these are the major functionalities. Major functionality is at any point scroll up, scroll down, and click a particular view or getting the details or scroll into a particular element. These are the major items by using screenshot. Sorry, I mean without screenshot. If we go to the framework level, the screenshot is very important. Now, just to go ahead and Google it, take a screenshot. Okay, there util.com will some. Let me show you. Okay, whether you are able to
Snapshot
understand.
is
No,
same or different?
no, screenshot or snapshot both are same, right?
Same. Okay, but when I doing Google, I saw like snapshot syntax.
Let me show you. Snapshot and all, even I'm not aware. No one is using screenshot only. And
Screenshot. Okay.
this is called screenshot, right? Screen.
Yeah, yeah.
Now, see, take screenshot. See, okay, just type it. Now, go ahead and do that. Here, execute script and file copy. These are the two items you need to be learned.
Yeah, file copy. Then file utils we need to add to the file.
Yes, file utils is there. Common IO one jar you have to be add. That I'll tell.
Okay. We need to download it.
Yes, yes. Let me show you. Let me show you. Here, right? This is the example.
Okay.
Okay. Here, what they are doing first step, take screenshot is a again
Mm.
one more take screenshot is there.
Mm.
Here, file src code screenshot dot get screenshot as.
Mm.
Here, output type as file. These are the things where we need to understand for one jar is required. These things and all that is called as the commons IO jar. Okay,
Common side.
commons IO. See now, take screenshot, this one. Nothing much. What is about short
File
API?
util.
These things are not at all required. Just only
Mm.
go ahead and check the commons IO jar. Okay, this one. This is the example, third step. Okay, just follow this. Or
IO dot utils down. We have to download it.
one second, one second. What do you require?
Apache.com, the commons.io
Yeah,
second
commons.io.
import.
This one, right? No, sorry.
No, not the open. Apache.
This one, commons IO.
Yeah,
Okay,
I
I'll
have to
show that.
download.
I'll show it how to download that one as well. Okay.
Okay.
2.6 is the version. We can go ahead and do that. Now see screenshot. Okay, it's a
Yeah.
2 lines of code, nothing much.
Mm.
You're able to understand, right? How many lines
Yes, yes.
of code in the sense? Only 3 lines is the maximum. Take
Mm.
screenshot. First, it will take the screenshot by using take screenshot and WebDriver. And
Mm.
we have to go for the file operation, file src equal to screenshot dot get screenshot as. It said
Mm.
should be type, file type should be file,
Mm-hmm.
and file destination from one place to another place. It's taking something, I need to copy paste by using file utils dot copy file. This is what actually that commons IO jar is required in this place alone.
Okay.
Then while take snapshot. See now take snapshot and take screenshot both are same.
Okay.
Now see take snapshot, they're working as the method. Finally what they did, take
Screenshot.
screenshot. This is
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
proof.
Yeah. True.
Getting my point?
Mm. Yeah.
Now are you able to do this? Only 4 lines of code.
Yeah, I will try. Without
Yeah.
using file utils, we can use Java file handlers, and we can do this one, right?
No, here, see, we can do that. But why we need to do 6 lines of 7 lines of code without it's risky? And that is
Okay.
not the safe. But if you go ahead and do this file utils, it is a real-time example where we need to follow everything. But
Okay.
if you go to the framework level, we should not want to take this one as well. This is for interview purpose. We have to go
Okay.
ahead and do that in other format. Let me show you
Mm-hmm.
one example how we need to take a screenshot. let me show you one thing. Okay, how we took the screenshot and all everything. You will get more understanding. This is not the correct one. Okay, something is missing. Let me check you.
Okay.
The report will be some other format. You will get something somewhere I have it. Not sure whether I'm having or not currently here. Not sure where I have. Okay, I'll show you definitely. It should be somewhere in my my thing. Okay. Okay, I'll show you in some time. Okay, how to do the screenshot. That is very simple. We don't bother about this thing. We'll see that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you can do the practice, and this is the things. And finally, right, whenever we are completing. As of now, we completed Selenium.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
now we are going forward. I hope. I mean, you are good with everything, and you are able to automate. You're not missing
Yes.
anything and everything. Okay, then we'll go for the test engine and BD Cucumber and real time tools. Okay, and the test within test engine, right? How we can go for the parallel 2-3 classes. We'll go ahead and speed complete that, and most probably we'll learn mostly like up to the market standard where we need to use BDD Cucumber, such kind of things. We'll see.
Okay.
It's clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then I'm stopping now. Okay, if possible, we'll connect by tomorrow, and because we left only one class for the pending. Okay, not sure, but 100% we'll try to connect. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
If I'm there, I'll be connected. Anyway, I mean, there should not be any loss at any case. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.